Okay, boys and girls, hello. For this video, you're only going to be able to see my hands and my board because I really want you to be able to see what I'm doing today. So, before we can get started with our math lesson, I'm going to have you get a few things out. So the first thing is everybody needs to get out a marker board, okay, an eraser, and a marker. So if everyone would please get those out, the sub can go ahead and pause the video while everyone gets those out and then press play when everyone's ready. Okay, now that you have your marker board, your eraser, and your marker, you're going to need to go a table at a time to go to your cubbies and get your bag of popsicle sticks. So once again, I'm gonna have the sub, our substitute teacher, pause the video. I need you to be dismissed a table at a time to go get your popsicle sticks. Then come back to your desk and leave them in your baggie. All right, so now you should have all the supplies you need, okay? You need your popsicle sticks, your marker board, your marker, and your eraser. On your marker board, I would like you to write the following. You are going to write 32 minus 15. Okay, make sure you line up the ones and the tens. Please write that on your marker board. 32 minus 15. Please do not solve it yet. We're going to use our popsicle sticks as an example. If you need to pause the video at any time so that everyone can get caught up, it's okay to do that. I'll be moving a little bit fast so we can pause the video and wait for everyone to have 32 minus 15 written on their board. Okay, so our starting number is 32. That's how many we are starting with. I would like you to get out 32 popsicle sticks. Remember, each bundle that we made is worth 10. So that's 10, 20, 30. Then we just have two groups of one. So 1, 2. All right. So here's your 32. If you need to pause the video while everybody gets that, that would be okay. Okay, so we have 32 shown right here, right? We have 3 groups of 10 and 2 ones. Now, we know in subtraction, the first thing we do is subtract the ones, okay? So we're gonna subtract the ones, and we need to say our little rhyme to see if we need to regroup. So remember, our rhyme is more on top, no need to stop, more on the floor, go next door, get 10 more. And as you can see, there is more on the floor in the one spot, which means we do need to borrow from our tens. Okay, so we're going to show that using our popsicle sticks. Okay, we cannot subtract 5 ones because there's only 2 here. There's not enough. So what we're going to do is we're going to borrow a group of 10 and regroup them so that they become 1. So we're just going to take the the rubber band off and make them now ones. All right. Okay, go ahead and count to see how many ones we have now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All right, so we now have 12 ones. So instead of having a 2 in the ones place, we need to cross it out and write 12 because we now have 12 ones. And how many how many groups of 10 do we have? we no longer have 3 groups of 10, we have 2 groups of 10, because remember, we took a group of 10, regrouped it, and put it over here. So now we can finish our subtraction problem. We have to subtract, still in the ones column, 12 minus 5. Well, let's go ahead and use our popsicle sticks. We're taking away 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many are left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Good. 12 minus 5 is 7. Okay, now we've subtracted the ones, we can now subtract the tens column, right? So we now have 2 minus 1. Well, let's show that with our popsicle sticks. 2 groups of 10. Take away 1 group of 10, we're left with 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, so your answer to 32 minus 15 is 17. Let's do another one. Okay, erase your boards. Okay, this one, this time, oh, I'm so sorry. Before you write the new problem, we need to rebundle up our group of 10. So all those ones that you made, make sure you have another group of 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, put the rubber band around them, remake your bundle. And then put all of those popsicle sticks back into your bag. Okay, so you should have a clear marker board and all of your popsicle sticks in your bag. Now let's do our next problem. Okay, we are going to write 45 minus 27. Okay, please write that problem on your board. If you need to have the teacher pause the video so everyone can have a chance to write it, please do so. Okay, so we know that our starting number, the amount that we're starting with, is this top number right here, 45. We are starting with 45 and then we are subtracting 27. So please show me 45 with your popsicle sticks. That would be 4 groups of 10 and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 groups of 10, okay, and 5 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So I have 45 right here. If you need to pause the video so everyone can get to this point, that would be fine. Okay, now, what is the first step in subtraction? Well, we subtract the ones. Let's say our little rhyme to see if we need to regroup. More on top, no need to stop. Uh-oh, we don't have more on top. More on the floor. Oop, that looks like what we have. Go next door, get 10 more. So we need to borrow from next door so that we can have more up here. Okay, we need to borrow from next door. So we're going to take a group of 10, a bundle of 10, and we're going to regroup it so that it becomes, instead of a bundle of 10, a group of 10, it becomes 10 ones, okay? And we're gonna leave them as ones. Now, we have taken 10 from here and put it here, which means that we just have to add 10. So 5 plus 10 is 15. Okay, 5 plus 10, oh, I forgot I was going to write that in a green marker. 5 plus 10 is 15. Let's count our popsicle sticks to make sure that's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good, we're correct. There are now 15 ones. But because we took a group of 10 and regrouped it to ones, there are now only 3 groups of 10. All right, we took 1 away. So now there are 3 groups of 10. Now we are ready to subtract because we have more on top in the ones place. All right, let's take 15 minus 7. You can use your popsicle sticks to take 7 away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how many are we left with? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 15 minus 7 is 8. There are now 8 ones. All right, now we have to subtract the tens. 3 minus 2, okay, let's show that with a popsicle sticks. We have 3, we're taking away 1, 2, we're taking 2 away, we're left with 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, so that means 45 minus 27 is 18. All right, please bundle your popsicle sticks back up into another group of 10. So you're gonna count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're going to bundle them back up. Okay, then you're going to put all the popsicle sticks back in your bag. Okay, put all those popsicle sticks back in your bag and zip it up. Erase your boards. Okay, when the teacher tells you, you're going to go a group at a time to go put your popsicle sticks away. Okay, after everyone's popsicle sticks are put away and marker boards, erasers, and markers are put away, the teacher will call you one at a time to go get your Chromebooks for reflex. Okay, everyone is going to do reflex for the remainder of the math period. Now, if you need help logging in, please ask somebody at your table, okay? Ask somebody at your table because remember, our substitute teacher has never done reflex before and she doesn't necessarily know how to get into it. So please ask someone at your table if you can't remember how to get into reflex. All right, you will wait for the teacher to tell you when to put your popsicle sticks away and when to get your Chromebook so that you can do reflex for the rest of math.